afternoon, welcome. This is Neco yet 2019 English test of oral past question number 12. We are still using the same instruction to answer this question, and the given word here is point, as we pronounce it, point. So, and it is described as point. It is not all sand, take note of that. It is not all sand. Point. Then we have to look for a word that adds the other line, the same sound as the other line, and the other line letter say is O and I. Then option A, it is pronounced as bone. Bone. That is all sound. All sound. Option B is pronounced as month. 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 That is sin theta. The th in this word month is replaced with a sign in mathematics called sin theta. Then the next one is sport. 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 That is long or sound. Sport. Option D is pronounced as toy. 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 Option E is pronounced as a pen. The letter U there is replaced with schwa sound. Vowel number 12. A pen. That is short or sound. A pen. So with this, the word among this option the option that contains the same sound with the given word is option D, which is toy. Therefore, option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.